We are building a community gathering space. The idea is a porch without a house, and it's going to be going in North St. Joe.
That's really the main idea. The porch is a community gathering space and also a resilient element of architecture.
I was super excited to get this class for Design Meet, the design build class. So this is the first time that most students, I'd say, are building things full scale. In lower division, we're doing scale models in a much smaller scale. This is great to see something come to light on a much bigger scale.
It's great to see the translation from a scale model to full scale. And that first moment when we're carrying actual full-size materials and making things vertical, raising the walls and starting to scale it to humans and human occupation. It's a wonderful, wonderful moment in the process.
Right now I'm working on the floors. We're essentially building this as a kit of parts, and we're building it in modules. The past few weeks we've been building the frames, these floor modules, and the walls, which later, or actually tomorrow, we'll be taking this all down and it'll be able to ship. So it's kind of a constraint that we set for ourselves. The idea is that if we could build it in the room to a certain size, we could load it up and then ship it. So that in mind, these frames, they will fold in on each other for shipping. The walls can stay intact, and the floors and the floor joists will all stay together so that when we get there, we can just assemble it. Shooting for, I think, 3 days to put it all together. We're trying to do as much work in here as we can before we get up there.
Sure, that's great. It's great to know that we're making an impact and actually building something that will be used. We went up there at the beginning of the semester to meet the community and the church that will be using it, and they're really excited about it, and so are we. So it's great to know that we're doing something and they're going to enjoy using it.
One of the things that when we proposed it to them was that this could be something almost like the takeoff model. They wanted to build more of these and kind of scatter them throughout the community that they could. So hopefully that'll end up happening. We'll see them or throughout their public spaces.
That's really the main purpose. I mean, one of the goals was to work with the students, but then really the main goal is to hopefully contribute to the community. So we're really looking forward to seeing how the community uses it, and hopefully it becomes a significant part of the community.